Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 20th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So today is kind of a big day because we got non-farm payroll numbers coming out, and this is actually the first time we've had this news event in a while because of the US government shutdown. So it definitely could be a big mover. Now, the thing I don't really like is that we're not at a Fibonacci extension levels. Most turns in the market do happen at Fib levels. Doesn't mean that today's news possibly couldn't cause a big turn to the downside. It just means that more than likely it's probably not going to break structure unless it's at a Fibonacci level. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, we do have a 1 hour time frame structure right here. So if it does break this structure, then it definitely would tell me to become bearish the dollar via the dollar pairs themselves. But we do have to keep in mind that maybe it's just going to be like a wave four or something like that. And maybe, later on it could end up going up again and grabbing the higher Fibonacci level that we are missing on the daily time frame. But we do have to be careful. A lot of times you do get these spike reversals at the news. Perhaps the news would like spike up, grab that Fib level, come down, give us a break of structure like that. Could be a pretty volatile day, so definitely be careful. And as always, use great risk management. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.